If I could combine the mopping and battery power from one and the vacuuming and edge cleaning from the other, I'd have the perfect robot cleaner. But since I have to choose just one, I'll try to break down the pros and cons of each. Today, I'm comparing the Eufy S1 and the Ecovacs X9 Pro, two high-end robot vacuum mops with roller-style mops that wash themselves constantly as they clean. On the surface, they seem almost identical, but once you actually live with them, the differences start to matter. First, let's talk about what they have in common. It's a lot. Aside from the roller mops, these both have incredible all-in-one stations that wash and dry the mops, empty the vacuums in dirty mop water, and then refill them with clean water every 10 to 15 minutes during a clean. This basically removes me completely from the cleaning equation. All I have to do is empty dirty water and refill clean water at the station once a week and replace the vacuum bag in the station every month or two. With both the Ecovacs and Eufy apps, I can schedule cleanings, set no-go zones, and customize everything from water output to suction levels, making sure I always have an optimal clean, even when floors are super dirty. But with all they have in common, there are still some differences you'll want to know about. Let's start with their mopping systems. As I mentioned before, both use roller mops, which are incredibly efficient compared to robot mops of the past. The mop is continually cleaned with fresh water as they roll, ensuring every pass gets a fresh mop. But the Eufy's mop is a couple inches longer, which means it covers more ground with fewer passes. It also seems slightly better at tackling sticky spills and dried-on messes. But the X9 has an edge, literally. Its mop extends out when cleaning, getting right up to the baseboards and corners, while the Eufy consistently misses about an inch along the edge. And when it comes to vacuuming, the X9 Pro does a significantly better job picking up heavier debris like chip crumbs and bark from both carpet and hard floors. While the Eufy can leave heavier crumbs behind on regular suction and even occasionally on its highest suction setting, the Ecovacs X9 gets everything, even when it's set to regular suction. And I love that it boosts its suction automatically when it gets to carpets. But when it comes to battery life, the Ecovacs X9 can't compete. On high suction settings, the Eufy S1 can clean my entire main floor in one charge, about 1,000 square feet of hard floor and carpet. The X9, it tapped out at about 675 square feet before heading back to the dock to recharge. If you've got a large space, this could be a serious downside, since you'll have to wait a few hours for the X9 to recharge before it can finish the job. But when it comes to base stations, the Ecovacs X9 wins. It has a more compact station, which I really appreciate, since it can be tucked away many places the S1 wouldn't fit. The Eufy station is tall, sleek, and modern looking, but it needs more vertical space. How about downsides? The only real complaint I have about either of these is that they both have slightly frustrating heights. Many robot vacuum mops on the market today can easily slide under my sofas and coffee tables. These two can't. I think the roller mops just require a little more height to fit everything in. So if you have low-profile furniture you want your vacuum to get under, stick with a robot with dual spinning mops rather than a roller mop, like the Ecovacs T50 Pro. So which one wins? I wish I could combine the Eufy's powerful mopping and longer battery life with the X9's stronger vacuum and edge mopping system. But since I can't, it really comes down to which features you value most. For me, it's close. But while the Eufy has a slightly better mop, I can live without it, and with the 2-hour charge halfway through cleaning, if it means every bit of mess will get picked up by the vacuum. With kids and pets constantly tracking in dirt and debris and leaving crumbs everywhere, I'm going with the Ecovacs for its superior suction. Product links are below, and I get a small commission when you use them, which helps me keep making videos like this. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.